Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a cookie consent banner to your Shopify store. A cookie consent banner helps us stay compliant with privacy regulations and builds trust with our visitors. We will walk through how to install, uninstall, and set it up properly. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. Then go to Customer Privacy. Here, we can see the cookie banner option. Click on it. This is our cookie consent banner. We can manage it by clicking Manage Preferences. From here, we can configure the banner. We can change the colors and choose where we want it to appear, including in the checkout if we want to show it there. We can also turn it on from here. Once we are happy with the settings, we just need to click Save. The Save button will appear whenever changes have been made, as you can see here. Go ahead and click Save. And that is how we add a cookie consent banner to our Shopify store. With this in place, our store is more transparent and compliant, and our visitors have control over their data.